As you can see, the front bumper's caught heck. Looks like right here, it took a lick. What happened is he ran over, a car hit a guardrail in the highway and knocked it in his lane and he ran over it. That's how I got this car. And you can see it hit the transmission pan right, let's see there, right there. I'm worried about that because of the solenoids and the valve body. I haven't been in one of these transmissions, so I'm not sure how it's laid out. It may be okay on just replacing the pan. I hope that ends up being the case. Ripped the brake lines about off the car. Ripped the power cable out. It's all the way from under the hood. As you've probably seen, that's why I was showing under the hood a while ago. All this plastic shields, of course it ripped it. And it ripped this bracket. It's just a brace, a subframe brace or whatever. It'll literally bolt in right here to over there, right there where the lift arm is. You can see it on this side. So that's not going to be too big of a deal. Don't look like it really hurt nothing else. I mean, it dented it a little under the car and I got a gouge right here. That's the worst thing other than the pan to me. The lines are easy to fix. And the battery cable's no issue. But that, I'll beat that. It don't go into the cab of the car. It's like a hollow spot in the subframe, the chassis here. So what I'll do is beat that flat and probably rivet or spot weld a metal plate over it and then undercoat it. And then with the plastic shields and all that back under the car, you won't even hardly know anything happened. I'm hoping this car runs out good though. Got a little bit of oil leak right there, but that's a BMW for you. I know you BMW guys don't like me saying that, but I run into a lot of BMWs with oil leaks. Especially from the side of the engine up here. I don't know if this has it, but where that alternator bracket bolts up on the V8 ones. I know this is not a V8 one, but they pour oil out of those. Well, this is an overview of it, and this is going to be the new, make this an everyday car, hopefully.